In front of me is TECNO Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then tap on App Permissions and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, or tap on any of them to find an app that you wish to manage instead. I will go with Location and select, for example, Firefox. Now tap on one of those options to apply the best one for location access and go back. You can also tap on an app and instead of tapping on any of those, scroll all the way down to select See All Permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!